What's up? My name is Alex. We're about to watch Two Girls, One Cup, and this is Corey. Alright, playing now. It's pretty hot.
Just the ugly chicks.
Ugh!
Ew! Holy shit.
She filled up the cup in like 2 seconds. Oh, they're licking it. Oh shit, dude. She's got a freaking buck teeth. Oh, they're making out.
Dude, I'm out of here.
Oh, they're throwing up now. Yeah, you eat that shit.